This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry lotus roots. The first thing you notice about this dish is that it looks very fresh and very colourful. To get fresh and colourful, make sure all your vegetables are, well, fresh. And use as many different colours of vegetables as you can find. The list of ingredients here are what I could find in my fridge, so feel free to make up your own riot of colours. But don't skip the lotus roots. This dish is after all called stir-fried lotus roots. Let's start by soaking some black fungus. This will take about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, wash the lotus roots and slice them thinly. Soak these in water as well. For the ginkgo nuts, to save some preparation time, buy the fresh ginkgo nuts that has already been peeled. We will need about 50 grams of this. To prepare the ginkgo nuts, split the ginkgo nuts in half and remove the center core if any. It is this center that gives the ginkgo nut its bitter taste. Wash and trim the sweet peas. Trim off the ends and remove the fibrous top. For the baby corn, diagonally cut them in half. Slice up the carrot thinly. Back to the black fungus. Now, cut away any hard bits from the black fungus. For the aromatics, we will need 3 slices of ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. In a pan over medium heat, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Then, add in the aromatics. That's the ginger and the garlic. Give the aromatics about 30 seconds. Then add in all the vegetables except the sweet peas. That's the lotus roots, the ginkgo nut, the baby corn, the black fungus, and the carrots. Let this fry for about a minute. Mine looks a bit dry here, so I'm adding a little bit more oil. Next, add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Let it come to a boil and cover. Let this simmer for about a minute till it's fairly dry and the vegetables are a little softened. Add in the sweet peas. We have added the sweet peas last as it looks really bad when it's overcooked. For the seasoning, add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Give this a quick stir. Then, add in 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine along the sides of the pan. Do the same for half a teaspoon of soy sauce. And we are done. This is stir-fry lotus roots.